very much. And now, the national anthem of Jamaica.
We are here at Ketronal Sports Complex, where the boys up against Trinidad and Tobago Soca Warriors. The Jamaica team coming to this match with one game in their last 5 games. Young group of players I expect will be trying their best to impress the new head coach, but to do that you must perform. And so we'll be looking closely on the individual battles, discipline in and out of possession, also their efforts in attacking and defensive transitions. Definitely we want to see the changes from Hamir and Grimson, young charges, but we will definitely want to put on a show. The squad features Cavaliers, Colin Anderson and Mount Pleasant Trevante Stewart, the 2 top goal scorers in the Jamaica Premier League this season. 7 international base players make up the squad, and it's an interesting time for Jamaica's football. Coach Al Grimson has been an experienced coach for quite a very long time. He has had some stints with Iceland. The statistics are there to show that for Iceland at the World Cup, that impressive draw with the Argentinian team at the World Cup was one that a lot of persons were looking on this coach as a rising prospect on the coaching stage. And it's good that Jamaica can be able to have someone who has been at the top, who has been in tough games, like mentioned the Argentinian game. That was indeed a good game of football, and today we are expecting to see a good game from both teams, and expecting a physical game from the Trinidad team as well. But like I said, this is an inexperienced Jamaica team. but there are some experience in there as well. The likes of Ravel Morrison, the likes of Adrian Mariappa. There's the man from Chelsea, Omari Hutchinson, very skillful, very technical player, and I'm sure the fans here this evening are happy to see such a player with his quality, for Jamaica. We're seeing Jordan Fletcher there, who is overseeing applying the straight, and we're off.
First encounter in Jamaica, this is supposed to be a good one. While the CD template being set by the matchup against Argentina, and it was the little magician, definitely we will even walk away from something like that. Today, our main commentator, Mr. Steve Lambert, over here, just in and out, so what's going to happen when the Lamborghini over top of her pressure inside the channel, pressure comes out nicely with all the ball, looking for support alive, picking by the pressure applied right here, and that goes up a quick, so there's no chance here. Good intention here been shown by the Jamaicans as early as the first couple minutes.
Definitely the Jamaica team seems to want to impose themselves in the attacking third. You can see they're keeping an island, and you want to see Jamaica play free, expand on the air. They're going to look at the transition moments for the Jamaica team. And the key to that transition moment that we're talking about will come through our number 10, Ravel Morrison. The boys are on the attack. It's up to into the Trinidad team. You see Omari Hutchinson picking up the wide area there, and that's a hero. He likes to operate. He wants the space. He creates space for himself. And you will definitely see him, drift inside, to assist, picking up some passes from Robert Morrison, and indeed, there seems that the boys are shifting. Trinidad team in the attack, decent ball, and with the experience of Richard King. I mentioned Richard King earlier. Richard, he is one of the players that coach our farmers. In terms of Coach Paul Hall would have highlighted as a future of Jamaica football. And it's good to see that he's still performing at a decent level.
Shav, you know this? Goal score?
I mentioned earlier that you're going to expect a physical game from this Trinidad team. You're seeing it. You're definitely seeing it. They're going to play this system, a system that allows them to pass. And once there are spaces in behind, they will pass. And they will see their time along ball. Nicely intercepted by the Jamaica team. Jamaica team trying to put some passes together and moving forward. I spoke about that transition moment. Hutchinson's on the move. The man from Chelsea's on the move. Nice ball for Jordan Fletcher. Oh.
Check some of the one change. Check the quality phone.
Good pressure on the ball from the Jamaica team. Showing to the Jamaica team. Robert Morrison is on the move. Just a little bit deeper. The Trinidad, as you can see, the Trinidad team, they're trying to impose themselves on the Jamaica team. Still a little bit cagey at the moment, but this is what you'll see. I can tell you this is what you'll see from this Trinidad team.
Yeah? Okay.
Fletcher. Fletcher cuts one. Fletcher cuts another one. Out to Hutchinson. King. Marietta. Decent combination play there from the Jamaica team. That's definitely what you get from this team, that physical presence there. They won't allow you space and time once you're in the attacking play. They will give you that time. And as you can see, they're indeed imposing themselves. They're showing Jamaica that they're not going to allow them to come in the air and do whatever they want to do. Interesting, Coach Al Gibson is favorable formation, is 4-4-2 formation. We're seeing that, but not to the structure of how you want those transition movements from a 4-4-2. But it seems there was a tweak there with the number 3. With the number 3. not the start that I was expecting from the Jamaica team. I think we can keep possession of the ball again. I think we're giving away the position too easily. They used to
Yellow
with
card
a
issued
decent
in
ball
the
over.
10th minute. Jamaica's number 14, Sule Akala.
But like I was saying, not a bad start from the Reggae Boys, but you want to see more structure in terms of their discipline in possession and also out of possession. You are seeing waves where this Trinidad team is trying to get behind this, but I think with the leadership of Finland, we're doing well so far, I believe. And they special by Fletcher. The Jamaica earns that throw. Hutchinson. And Hutchinson is on the ball. Hutchinson is trying to move away from one. Here's Fletcher. Fletcher. Oh. He didn't get a clear connection on that one from Jordan Fletcher. Former College standout player. Had some stints at Mount Pleasant Academy as well. And he's overseas applying his street. That is Jordan Fletcher. That is.
Struggle.
Both teams trying to find.
Much of it.
Yeah, really?
Just how much numbers there? Much of them. try to reconnect with my phone.
What a save by Foster. What a save by Foster. Quick reaction there from Foster from the Jamaica team. And the Jamaica team is in the transition and Robert Morrison. Did you see that pass? I think that pass needed to play forward instead. It drifted way wide. But what a save there from Kemar Foster. Long ball again. And I'm saying this Australia team will continue to have players running behind. And they have that key player there who continues to play that long ball.
You one.
There you go again. Decent. Oh, it's a decent shot.
Where's it? Where is it? 0?
And there we have the long ball again. This is the way they play.
We come back here. Go on this kind of camera. Slip to mine. Come on. Connect. Tell me what you see. Tell me when it change. Same way. Restart it. She connect back on you. Roll on. Sorry. Anything else possible already? Bad. Very, very poor.
A good turnout so far by the fans. There are a few more seats in Tottenham to be occupied, and it's a goal kick to the Jamaica team.
In an ocean and check that with a hat. Wait a sec. Eh? Still at 0? Tell me number right there. What? Which one?
So it's a free kick. To the team. The fans are upset with the official. That was a good moment for the Jamaica team to break through a goal. You can see Robert Morrison dropping deep to get some touches of the ball. Trying to put Bill in front of the back. And like I said, the Jamaica team continues to lose position. And that is an area that we need to improve. Back to Costa. Passes that one reward from the target. I believe he was trying to find the Mario Hutchinson here in the wide area. Hutchinson in the ball. Robert Morrison. And that's it again. We continue to give away possession. So easy. If you're currently joining us, we are at Casanari Sports Complex here in Montego Bay, where the Reggae Boys are playing Trinidad and Tobago Soccer Warriors. The score line is 0. Both teams trying to make some passes, both teams trying to play. You would expect this type of performance from both teams, as these are new faces, this is a new structure, and in football you need time to prepare, and so this is one of the starting phases of our football here in Jamaica. Coach Hal Gibson era of Jamaica's football, and they're on the attack, and there we go again. All I was saying, we're 10 era of football here in Jamaica. Nicely intercepted. Exercise to do that now. Nice ball to Fletcher from Dixon. And he plays back to King. And King goes down to Hutchinson. But a little bit too much on that pass by Richard King.
Not them selling now. Bad.
Fletcher. Fletcher is under pressure. Fletcher falls.
Enemy controls. Let's go.
You see the Chelsea FC player there. He's up. You see Demario there as well. You see Lamar Walker. They are up. And I'm sure they want to get in the action tonight. Strong presence there from Adrian Mora. Target. The team continues to get moments in the offensive third, but with early pressure from the Jamaican defense, we are able to stop those threats. Shooting from distance from Abu Hill, the man from Trinidad. Very skillful, speedy play. That's Abu Hill. The Jamaican ground move out to Atkinson. And Atkinson plays to Dexter. And Dexter whips that one in. Hutchinson, Omari Hutchinson, he cuts one, he passes. Oh, that was a brilliant play there from the Jamaica team. That is what we want to see in the attacking third, that combination play from the wide areas and then transition into the central areas, and that's what you get when you put ball like that into the box. And nicely dropped for Omar Hutchinson, but he decides to use his skills. The Jamaica team building some momentum, trying to get one in the box again. Calmly done by King. Out to Dexter. Dexter to Fletcher. Fletcher still on the ball. Tries to play one in there for Cervantes Stewart. That's Cervantes Stewart. Joint leading goal scorer in the Jamaica Premier League. Cervantes Stewart. Very keen player. And his skills and goal threat earned him a position in the team. Free kick to the Jamaica team.
I know really that much.
Next time
What
we
have
will
done
take this one.
isn't it?
Dexter whips this one in. Calmly collected by Denzel. So it comes to the Adrian Fonseca. That's Adrian Fonseca there. Hutchinson ball to Jamaica. Plays to Macau. Makala plays one long. Possession turned over to the Trinidad. That long ball again, that's a decent ball in there. That's a decent ball in there. That was a close one. That was a close one. From my view, thank God we don't have VAR here in Jamaica, because that one was really close from my view. But if you win the ball, you win the ball. Goalkeeper Adrian Fonsetti is done. He's fine. He's running it into the view. There you are seeing court in there. Getting some information across to his young team. Here's Coach Mangan there as well. Giving guidance for
Yeah, but don't stop recording.
It seems Adrian Fonsetti, Trinidad goalkeeper, just wanted some realization. Plays one long to Javante Stewart. Hutchinson picks that one up and he takes it. Skills. He's showing his skills. That's what you'll get from Hutchinson. I agree with the referee. There's no way Hutchinson would have won that. And there goes a skill player that is Trinidad team. They continue to be a long ball. I had mentioned this earlier. That this is what you'll get from the Trinidad team. They will try to make few passes, but expect their striker to make some runs, and they will definitely provide some scenarios in the back. That's a script for the Jamaica team. That's a combination play we've been talking about. And if Jamaica get into that attacking area, you're seeing those combination passes. Good to see Robert Morrison getting in on the action there. You would have seen earlier where he's playing a little bit deep, but took the opportunity to get in the mix as well, and that's what you'll get from a player like Robert Morrison. Quality. You will see him at his best when he's supposed to go. He'll be able to make those passes. Adrian Fassetti is down.
Don't make here.
But good signs from the team.
Slap it. That's right. Slap it.
Can work like in terms of application. Next time I never no. Right now, if it's a ticket.
Military going on.
Agua.
See gun ball and farmer in China, number 7. And see number 11 now when they saw that. They can't make a national level.
Due time.
Yo, guess what? Few boy there too now. You look a short one for a minute.
Quota.
What do you mean? Bradley.
Oh, most.
Yeah, listen to him, military ground. Everything tough. See what the camera look for here, military. See the camera get you for the video. See that, so I'm being a one.
The camera black him, man. Camera black him.
Number 7, see that. I see the camera, Richard Graham. I want to play something. You know what's going on with you?
Imminent change for junior team. Injury to Marvin Phillip, and Marvin Phillip will be replaced by a Marvin Phillip not too happy to get him champion come for his coaches from tours.
The fourth division, okay,
we wish him a quick
5 minutes to be added to the first half.
goalkeeper.
Meanwhile, there's substitution for the Trinidad and
We
Tobago
got
team.
his breakthrough
Number
against that
21,
team,
Denzel
and so
Smith,
we wish him.
is replaced by number 22,
And we're back to the
Adrian
road here at the
Potset.
Catanal Sports Complex.
That substitution took place in minute 45 plus 1.
Coach Harrigan there having a chat with Delano. Showing Delano's got some things that he needs to be there on the field. And so we should expect our first game for the Jamaica team. Delano Scott picked them up based on what we are seeing on the north. Sorry, that's the longest spot. Picks that one forward. The winner is the prize of Ibiza beats to Atkinson. And it's out to Makala. Hutchinson on the ball. Back to team. And the Jamaica team getting some passes in out to Dexter. Dexter tries to beat one by throwing to the Jamaica team.
So
It's half time here at the Montego Sports Complex. Jamaica nil, Trinidad and Tobago nil.
And at the break, It's Jamaica now.
A KJ
Diego. Next.
press up for the Jamaica team, I believe. And if you will see the physicality from the Trinidad team, again, that's the way all they play. Need some passes. And then that long ball for the attackers running down. And that was, I believe, the threat for the Jamaica team so far. But decent combination from the Reggae Boys in the attacking third. You can see Omar Hutchinson pretty much involved in all our attacks so far. And it's just a matter of time before Reggae Boys get a shot away. But interesting signs here. A few more seats to be filled here at Catrinal. But the fans are out in their numbers and they're supporting the Reggae Boys. Amir Harry Grimson. There we are now seeing the big man. That's Dejan Whisper Richards getting some information in from Coach Meron Garden. And we're hoping to see Dejan Whisper Richards in the second half as the Reggae Boys seek to get a goal. we're back on the way at Captain House Sports Complex. So, is it okay to say the man from Chelsea is is on the field? Yes, man, he has graced our presence. A talented player, all a hall of potential in Dejan Whisper Richards. They're down in the number 12 for Jamaica. That is the man who has signed for Chelsea FC and will be seeing a lot from Dejan Whisper. Delano Splat has also joined. Hutchison. Whisper. Try to play one into Stewart. You can hear the crowd when Dejan Whisper Richards is on the ball. That's the love and passion this youngster has from the Jamaica people. Wonderful save by Foster. Again, Foster makes a brilliant save for the Red Devils. For the Jamaica defense. But again, Kamal Foster comes up big. This got pressure on the ball. It's Jamaican possession. Oh, we were past there.
Delano Splat.
Delano.
And the bit on that. Check.
You're seeing confidence now from the Jamaican players. The confidence has grown. And I mentioned it earlier. This is something that takes time. And I'm sure we'll get a better performance from the Jamaica team in the second half. King is on the ball. Boots it forward. Richards. Andre Raymond down. Andre Raymond down for Trinidad. And receiving some treatment, I would say. Players like Dejan Richards. The youngsters now signed for FC Chelsea. If you are not privy to such information, it is on all the media outlets here in Jamaica. You can go and get all the information you need. But the big man is on, and we will definitely get to see his talents. That's how confident Jamaican people is of this youngster. Seems to be another injury to the Trinidad team, and imminent substitution for the Trinidad team. Another forced change due to injury. Jail Neptune is on for Trinidad. That's Jail Neptune.
Substitution there for Trinidad and Tobago. Number 5, Andre Raymond, was replaced by number 12, Jamil Neptune. The substitution took place.
Hutchinson. And Hutchinson plays one forward to Richards. And Richards is on the move. Richards is on the move. Oh.
I left him a try put it on him.
Free kick to Trinidad.
Brother, we can't tell him how licky.
And that is what you
Can't tell
get
us.
from
Keep up, go
Richards.
work, our back both.
Pace and power. And I press there from the Jamaica team. Throw into Jamaica. So goal kick to Trinidad. You can see the impact from the changes from the Jamaica team. You see Robert Morrison playing a little bit further forward. And so that is something we want to see. Player of his caliber, player of his talent, venturing forward into attacking areas. Nicely intercepted by King. Nicely played wide.
Was watching.
Alvin Jones. Alvin Jones ran out of room. It's a throw-in to Jamaica. Morrison. Hutchinson. Hutchinson on the ball. Back to Adrian Marietta. And that's Robert Morrison. Hutchinson. Back to Robert Morrison. Back to Hutchinson. Back to Morrison. Back to Hutchinson. Nicely done. Marietta. Right past the Kelvin from the Jamaica play. Plays on to Richards. Nicely controlled by Richards. Richards showing some skills. That is stupid. King. King plays one round. That's a heavy one for Dwayne Atkinson. Trinidad on the attack. The experience of Adrian Marietta. That's the experience of Adrian Marietta, and he's been applauded by the Jamaican fans. King, out to Hutchinson, the player from Chelsea. He moves, he shows some skills there. Over there to Trevante Stewart. Nicely intercepted by the Trinidad team. And they're on the move. Trinidad trying to put some passes together themselves, but they may be afraid. The Jamaica team is on the attack through Dwayne Atkinson. Atkinson is on the ball. Atkinson beats one. Atkinson chops one. Marietta got caught there. And so Trinidad is on the attack. It's 3v4. Nicely block. Morrison. And Hutchison is on the ball. The Jamaica team is on the transition. He cuts in. That is what you get from Hutchinson. What a strike by Hutchinson. That is what the Jamaican fans want to see. That is what we want. The excitement, the skill, the mentality to attack. And the Jamaica team is in the mood to play in the second half. Brilliant play there by Hutchinson. The goal is coming. Whisper Richards is away. That is it. The Jamaica team, they want to play. They can play. They will play. That is the attacking threat that the Jamaica team can produce. Good players like Richards, Stewart, and Atkinson. You can add Hutchinson to the mix as well. Final kick to Jamaica. That's a penalty. The Jamaica team is throwing everything at this Trinidad team. We're expecting some imminent changes from the Trinidad team as well.
Yeah, watch this and rush.
Throw into the box. One Jamaica in possession. Hutchinson disposes one. It's buzzing here at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. The Jamaica people, they have longed to see young talents at this stage producing attacking football. Going to Jamaica. Hutchinson takes this one. Hutchinson takes this one. Trevante Stewart. Nicely intercepted. Morrison on the ball. Atkinson. The Rebels are enjoying possession. They are enjoying upping this Trinidad team. 2 imminent changes from the Trinidad team. I would believe these 3 changes is to cut momentum
So the trade them
and try to turn favor in their own hands.
Yeah, come on,
Some smart decision from Coach Almir Grimson there. Some smart decision there at halftime from Coach Almir and his technical team. Those changes indeed brought the Jamaica team into this game. We have more possession. We are more direct. Some really good football.
Triple substitution for the Tobago team in the 63rd minute of game number 11.
Stuart.
Jamal Francois, Jean-Paul Rockford, and Kylie Overy, number 50.
Going to Jamaica. Richards tries to beat one.
Number 30, Rayon Moore, and number 20, Jamal
An imminent change for the Rebels.
Jr.
Football Cummings
Substitution, 60
is getting ready.
minute.
Also, Colin Anderson. You can feel that the goal is near. So there are 2 imminent changes for the Rebels. Colin Anderson and Fitzroy Cummings will enter soon.
Centre back. Busy look dangerous, bro.
Fitzroy Cummings, they are getting some information from Coach Almir Grimson. Some final details.
Any goal to score? Busy. Really,
So Fitzroy, Colin Anderson will replace Trevante Stewart,
Replaced by number
and Fitzroy
22,
Cummings
Colin
will
Anderson.
replace
And the
Adrian
captain,
Mariappa.
Number 19, Adrian Mariappa. Number 22, Fitzroy Cummings. So number 25, Colin Anderson replaces Trevante Stewart. And number 22, Fitzroy Cummings replacing Mariappa.
Tracksman.
Cummings goes straight into action. King. Plays one to Cummings. good call from the official. So there's Anderson there, replacing Trevante Stewart in the central attack. And he should get us the desired goal that we need. Richards is on the move. Richards is on the move. That was a heavy one from Richards. But he usually
Heavy touch, man. Touch heavy.
not too far. I feel Richards is going to put one in the back of the net tonight. Trinidad on the attack. It's a goal to the Trinidad team. Ryan Moore is the goal scorer for the Trinidad team. Jamaica 0, Trinidad 1.
Goal for Trinidad and Tobago. Coming in the 67th minute. Substitute number 30, Raymond Moore, the scorer. It's Trinidad and Tobago 1, Jamaica 0.
We're back on the wheel. That's Jacobson. It's a free kick to Jamaica. And a yellow card to Ivan Jones. Some decent deliveries. Some decent deliveries from Dexter so far. Let's see what he can do with this one.
Give away a delivery now, Splat. Give it something, Splat. Proper delivery. Touching in our back post.
Hutchinson. What a ball by Richards. That's a good play by young Richards. Richards is down. Dexter. That's Delano Splat, the man with the responsibility to get the ball in the box. Corner kick to the other birds. Hutchinson with the responsibility. A decent delivery. Nicely collected by Adrian Fansetti. Atkinson plays it to Anderson. Anderson with a ball to Richards. Throwing to Jamaica. Morrison. Atkinson. Dexter. Dexter moves on. Back with Atkinson. Atkinson to Dexter. Back to Atkinson. Morrison. Decent play from the Trinidad team once they get into these attacking areas. The Jamaica defense has to be ready. Nicely done by Stapler.
This is thigh injury again. No, for a long time I've been injured.
Injury to
Two tight end, yeah.
Atkinson.
Both right and left.
Seems to be feeling
I got him band them or band him.
some discomfort in the right leg. And we are expecting an England change as well. Should be able to confirm his replacement. So Lamar Walker will replace Dwayne Atkinson. Good to see Lamar Walker back in the national
Substitution
colours.
for Jamaica. Number 3, Dwayne Atkinson.
Former
Replaced by
Clarendon
number 7,
College
Lamar Walker.
student athlete,
Tucson
a player who has won
76 minutes.
the schoolboy title, had some stints overseas as well,
The blur and thing.
and he's back home It's good to see him representing in the national colors. Hutchinson, skillful player. Stable. Dexter. Lamar Walker is on the move. For Robert Morrison. And Jordan Jones. Hutchinson. Plays one to Morrison. Dexter. Walker. Hutchinson. Showing some skills. Back to Hutchinson. Plays one in. Hutchinson. Walker. Dexter's on the ball to Morrison. You can see that physical presence from the Trinidad team once the Jamaica team gets into or around the penalty box. And so, what is the tactical approach from the Jamaica team? I would like to see Richards dropping and getting some touches at the ball. Decent ball over. I tell you about that youngster Dexter. Yes, Lamar Walker is on the ball. There's a wall in front of the Trinidad goal. Some nice play by the Jamaica team, but not enough to get past this Trinidad defense. Decent ball to Dexter, to Lamar Walker. Trying to play one out to Richards. Possession with Trinidad and Tobago. The Soca Warriors putting some passes over. Trying to pull the Jamaica team. France. We have 3 Trinidad players now. Coach Harry Grimson, they're giving Cunningham, Colin Anderson.
Jamal versus.
Some information.
Versus. It depends, because I go so can go on.
Hutchinson. Plays it right to Staple. Staple in position. Hutchinson in position. The ball inside the box. Walker. Can you find a pass? Can you find a shot? Dexter.
Man, I'm not sure.
Dexter for me has been the most outstanding player for the Reggae Boys. Hutchinson. Staple. Trinidad is on the move. More changes from the Trinidad team.
Good idea.
Sorry, the racetrack now, Joe Sawata. Shot line outside the racetrack.
Substitution for Trinidad and Tobago. Number 3, Jovan Jones, about to be replaced by number 6. Number 18, Matthew Woolley. And the number 23, Jesse Williams. He's replaced by number 6, Kareem Riley. Substitution in the 87th minute.
Free kick to Jamaica. Not enough on the balls. Not enough. Just not enough from the balls. Walker takes it on. He moves. Dexter plays one in. I think that's possibly the worst pass. Yes, that's from possibly the best player on the field for Jamaica this evening. And for that to say, he has been having a wonderful game.
Bruno's on start. They can pay for them then. Quick.
People.
Not chilling. Not chilling.
Both officials indicate 5 minutes minimum to be added to the second half.
5 minutes of added time. The scoreline Jamaica 0, Trinidad and Tobago 1.
and gentlemen, we appreciate you coming out to the game here tonight. And we do look forward to see you in Kingston on Tuesday when the second game is played. 6 p.m. at the National Stadium.
What time that now? Don't know if we get to the match. Agree.
Richards. And Trinidad is on the attack.
I'm just not saying get silent in the game, you know? Silent. I think just not saying get silent in the game.
Out to Walker.
Yeah, that's it.
Free kick to Jamaica. This can be the moment for the other ball.
Eh?
This can be
Watch it.
the savior. Who will it be? I fancy Young Richards. I would like to see Young Richards with this one. I'm sure the people inside Platinum would like to see Young Richards. But Hutchinson is there. So is Morrison. So is Walker. And so is Staple.
Omar can kick it to man. Look, you ready one can kick it good to man.
What a beautiful end to the night this would be if Richards
If two of them can kick it, man.
was
Would I
to
give
put
us
this in the
back
back of the net. That's if
Would I give
he's
us
going to be the one.
back this up?
But at this time it seems that Ravel Morrison wants
It just make feel.
to have a say in this
Ravel,
one.
I'll kick it. Ravel, a big man.
The entire Cachonal is on its feet. The fans want this one. They want to take the tie back to Kingston, and Hutchinson tries. But a block. Goes straight into the wall by Hutchinson. Final attack, I believe. Hutchinson. Heavy touch by Richards. That is it here at the Cachonal Sports Complex.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is the
Jamaica
final
nil,
whistle.
Trinidad and Tobago Soca Warriors 1.
Trinidad and Tobago.
They will take this,
So, head to head.
the finals
Trinidad and Tobago go ahead.
match
26
back to
to 25.
the National Stadium
10 drawn.
on Tuesday. That's it from us here
Once again,
at Cachonal. Jamaica nil.
Tuesday, the total is 7.
Trinidad and
here.
Tobago 1.
That's Tuesday
Not
in Kingston.